Hello, everyone. This is going to be a quick introduction to my my computer and gaming channel. As you see, pardon my mess, but this is how it works here. I'm fixing to go through these old PCs from my collection over the years, disassemble them, clean them, do what's necessary to make sure they're up, running, and in the best shape they could be again. And then I'm going to be posting them on eBay for sale. As I don't have the time, friends for LAN parties or any of that, and they're just collecting dust and being neglected. They need a home, they need to be used, or they're going to be e-waste. Oh, are you going to help? My helper's here. Alright, guys and gals, if you're into nerdy stuff, this will be the playlist for it, so thanks very much.